Here at Vidu, we're going to make sound effects. Hey, I'm Rosh, the co-host of the Creative AI Show, and we clicked on AI sound effects over at Vidu. And why would we want to do this? Well, sometimes we want to create a sound that maybe you can't easily find. You just want to be able to describe it, and hopefully the AI will figure it out. So let's test a few ideas. I'm going to start off with a simple one, which is glass falling on a wood floor. As you can see, while I'm creating this video, we have a free trial and 10 uses. So get over here and see what you can create. All right, here we are. And we have the option to play it. So let's do that. Let's see if it passes the test. Let's try that again. Not too bad. Now we have the option to download it here. Create a link to share with your friends or social media or a client. Certainly give feedback. I don't know if I love it, but let's give it a good, I think it was good. What do you think? Then of course star it as a favorite. We can reprompt if we wish, or we can try something else. Let's try something a little more difficult. Sticking with the glass theme, foghorn made of glass. Here we go. Maybe, I don't know. Maybe the glass. That's not a bad interpretation if you think about it. I was thinking something a little deeper, but I said made of glass, and maybe that was the cue to have it create a higher pitch. Let's try something more interactive, maybe something that you might have in a movie. City full of cars as a monster along the city street. Okay, let's make this one a little longer if we can. All right, this may take 2 credits. That's my guess. City full of cars as a monster walks through the city street. Nope, just 1 credit. Okay, city full of cars. Think it's going to get it? There you go. Oh, it only did 5 seconds. That's okay. I think it worked out pretty well. Let's see. What would you put in there? Let me know in the comments below. I'm curious to your thoughts. I'm not sure what else I want to try. Let's go over to ChatGPT and ask for a few really good, unique sounds. Okay, I'm asking ChatGPT 03, list 10 unique sounds you would find in a movie. So pause and read through these and let me know which one you would pick. Let's go with this one. I'm going to take the whole prompt and see what happens. It won't let me paste. Interesting. It's not letting me paste. Oh, symbols not supported. Okay. Let's do that. All right, let's see how it works. Yeah, I think that did it. Let's try that again. Yeah. All right, so sometimes you're thinking of maybe a sound you heard in an old movie or a sound effect that you really like, and you need to describe it. So we had that one sound effect that was from the 50s, or the stock Yelp used in hundreds of movies. Sometimes you want to use that very specific sound because it's familiar to people, or you're mocking it as part of some sort of a video that is making fun of maybe something that's older or newer, or who knows. There's so many ways you can approach this. So let's see how well it does. Here it goes. I don't know if that was it. No, don't think that was it. Okay, the sub-bass Brahms, the Inception style lone horn blast used to punctuate epic reveals. Let's end with that. Let's see if it can follow through and do this, which is something that I might use. All right, here we go. Let's see if it worked. I'm not sure that did it either. I have a feeling you're going to have to stick with basic sounds. I mean, for example, busy street. I bet that'll come out pretty well. I thought I would see what would happen if I put people talking too, but busy street. Let's try busy street with cars. With loud cars. All right, what do we have? Busy street with loud cars? Yeah, maybe. Well, I'm going to give this system, I don't know, Vidu AI sound effects a B-. I think it could have done better in some of these. I think some of the straightforward stuff, not too bad. However, if it gets a little complicated, but even some of the basic stuff, busy street with loud cars, I think I would have, maybe it's just my own biases, would have expected maybe a horn or something like that. The busy street was pretty much a person babbling in kind of a language I'm not familiar with. So I'm not too sure about all this. I think if you wanted to try it out, you could probably find a few effects that you might want to try. You have a free trial with 10 opportunities to create sounds. And of course, you can download them for your own use. Let me know if you've had any experience. Let me know if you have a better AI sound effects generator that you like to use. I would like to know about that in the comments below. Maybe we can compare or review it. And of course, if you want to hear more about the creative AI world, check into the podcast every Monday where we are two creative guys talking AI.